have this thing in action here. This is like the, I don't know, maybe the 10th time we've used it. So Chuck, what do we got going on here?
We're 4 foot deep, but we're negative. We're going down 1.5 foot over 10 feet at 16 or 15, 100%.
Whoa, we are hitting something concrete. It's just all that brick.
Oh, that's us.
Wow. So he can see that exact screen on his thing too?
Yeah.
Now with the other one, he couldn't do that, right?
No.
Oh, okay, okay.
Who does the aiming? Is it you or
Yeah.
him? Oh, okay. So you're changing the position of the drill heads.
Well, I'm telling
Yeah, you can see it right here. Yeah, he's at 11. So he's technically coming up, right?
Yeah, he's coming up at 11.
But he's
going this way.
Right, I got you. But he's at an angle when he started out. So
yeah, he was down 20 something. So I told him to cut 10. When this rod's out, I'll have him cut 10 again.
I could just feel like the whole ground. Yeah.
I'm sure.
Were you out here digging? Were you out here when we dug? Oh, dude, it's like they tore a whole building down and just put it underground. Wow, that's wild feeling on the ground.
It makes me a little nervous standing here.
Well, it's like at least there's no like high voltage.
Right.
That's the only thing I'm afraid of. Because then, I mean, the water. I like the water honestly because you see it right away. You're just like, oh, water, you know. But with sewer, I guess even you wouldn't know right away, or you might not. That's cool.
Yeah, not until the conduit came out the other side, got poop all down it.
Yeah, he's like moving the whole.
I know, dude.
And he's still he's 3.9 right now, so he's still deep. Deep as shit.
God, what a weird feeling.
Almost level now, though.
So even though he's coming in at that angle, now he is perfectly level, roughly.
Almost.
1 or 2 rods.
Well, I haven't actually. Oh, I'm about to get that. Hang on, I want to see that. So, oh, I missed it. Wow. I want to see the auto loader. I had to run and get some stuff. I got my part. Splice is done. I'm ready. I got my 2-way splitter in, and we're going to be putting a 4-way and these little couplings in the house box because there are 3 apartments and a business, I think. I don't know, maybe there's 2 apartments and a business, but anyway, it's 3. We'll have 3 taps there, and then we can have an extra tap in case the city wants to use it for the Wi-Fi. I think we've hit a bunch of it. This brick is all in there. We got our drill in. We cracked our box a little bit, but it don't matter. But we've made it over here. Now this is the new footbridge they put in. I'm guessing it's just got a gnarly foundation or something. There's Verizon's vault. Lots of conduits in there. It's a concrete vault. And I think our ultimate goal is to be somewhere over here in the vicinity. Not 100%. I think we're coming around back here. Yeah, this white dot's probably where we want to go. Oh, there's this stupid water line too. So I love this part.
Makes me look better.
This
Kurt didn't tell me to get my ass back in the office. I'll tell him I was helping you because you were one man short.
Kirk's a trip. There she goes. So I would like to go see every 10 feet he's got to do the load thing, right? Yeah, okay. So let's go check the other side out because I've not seen there's an auto load and an auto unload. So like on the other drill, you have to do it manually, and it was just, they're like 50-pound rods, so you just tire yourself out. There's that going. What? Oh, that's legit. Wow. Oh, we're moving. That's crazy, dude. What a difference. So really not going very far with this. It's like 100 and something feet, I guess. And then once we get there right here, I'll stop him. And then that way we can make it so our conduit is just right there. We don't want to go any further. Yeah, boy. Now I'm just gonna do my splice right when we're done. So it'll just be like the fastest install ever. So we'll see once we see this basket. Oh, he's flying now, dude. Dude, that is sick. Oh my Lord. What a difference. That's crazy, man. That's crazy. So I think he's just got 2 more rods to pull. And he pulls these 2 rods and then yes, just a quick drill, hook up 4 customers. It's 3 or 4. I think it's 3. I'll just say 3 customers. That's what I'm talking about. Now there's a spindle on the end of the pipe. So when he spins, allows that spindle to not spin the conduit. So he just pulled 1 more rod. And I think after this one, we should see it. I don't smell poop, so we didn't hit the sewer line. And he's cruising with that. I mean, it's just like, it's an inch a second. I don't know if it's even going to get to me to splice today. I'm not sure. Might be doing this first thing in the morning. I don't know. It's prepped and ready. It'll be easy as hell. I think that's the final. That's definitely the final one. See if I can't remove the background noise of the machine, but I don't think it's going to be that bad because I got my my microphone here. This is why we hired a driller instead of trying to wing it on our own, I guess. So cool. And we're gonna be pulling a 12 count flat drop. Ooh, we just heard some serious noises. Oh, I got water coming. We got water. And that's, that water is just part of our slurry that we pump in. I think there's only 2 more rods missing from the machine, so this has got to be it right here. I think that's probably going to come out looking like brown too, huh? Oh, sorry, keep going. Hey, she just took the box. You actually fixed the box back. And I can't really tell. Like 6 more inches? Like 1 more foot? Like that much more? Oh, you're pulling all the way out? Oh shit, okay. So there. You already like took the box with you. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, he's got a bunch of water coming out of there. There's the conduit. It's definitely not orange no more, huh? Wow. so cool. Wow, so I don't know what he's about to do, but I think he's just gonna drive it backwards. Yep, that's what he's doing. So he's just gonna throw the thing in gear.